problem a lot of budget active noise cancelling earbuds have is the presence of lackluster active noise cancellation, or the complete absence of the feature. However, the HAKII Time Pro aimed to rectify that with outstanding active noise cancellation, uncompromised sound quality, decent transparency mode, and a long-lasting battery. So if you're in the market for some new truly wireless earbuds that don't break the bank, I highly recommend you take a look at the HAKII Time Pro. Keep watching to find out why I say so. The HAKII Time Pro comes in a case that is very similar to that of the AirPods Pro. Both the size and the shape are very alike. The only thing that is pretty much different is the finish, as the HAKII Time Pro have this white marble finish, which is quite more fingerprint resistant than that of the AirPods Pro's glossy finish. The HAKII Time Pro are also IPX5 splash resistant, so you don't have to worry if you get caught up in some rain or while working out with these earbuds. There are LED lights on the case, the one on the front to indicate if the case is charging, and the one inside to indicate if the earbuds are charging, or the battery status of the earbuds. When it comes to the shape of the earbuds themselves, they have long stems that are similar to that of the AirPods 2. They also have some silicone tips which help them fit more securely into your ears and help with active noise cancellation as well. In comparison to the Galaxy Buds Pro, which are my daily drivers, the case of the Galaxy Buds Pro are quite smaller, not thinner, but just shorter than the case of the HAKII Time Pro. The earbuds themselves also have a lot of differences, as Galaxy Buds Pro do not have any stems, meanwhile the HAKII Time Pro do have stems. And the body of the Galaxy Buds Pro is a little bit elongated to make sure that those silicone tips fit as deeply into your ears as possible. Both of these earbuds fit securely into my ears, but I find that the seal created by the Galaxy Buds Pro is more impactful than that of the HAKII Time Pro. That notwithstanding, you do not expect the HAKII Time Pro to fall out of your ears, as they stay in there quite nicely. But let me know what type of earbuds you prefer in the comment section below. Do you prefer earbuds with long stems like the HAKII Time Pro, or earbuds that just fit into your ears like the Galaxy Buds Pro? The strength of the magnets on the HAKII Time Pro is a very good indicator of their build quality, as the magnets hold the earbuds in place very firmly. Regardless of how rigorously you shake the case when it's open, the earbuds just refuse to fall out. Pairing the HAKII Time Pro to your device requires you to take both earbuds out of the case, put them in your ears, and then press and hold on both touchpads until you hear a whoosh sound. This indicates that the earbuds are in pairing mode. From here, you just need to go to your Bluetooth settings and connect the earbuds to your device. Connecting them to your device after this point simply requires you to open the case and they will connect automatically. When it comes to controlling your media, the HAKII Time Pro uses touch controls located on the sides of the earbuds. You can double tap on the right earbud to switch between active noise cancellation, normal mode, and transparency mode. You can also double tap on the left earbud to switch between game mode and music mode. With regards to media controls, you can tap once on either earbud to pause or play a track, hold the left earbud for 2 seconds to go to the previous track, and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds to go to the next track. When you've got an incoming call, you can tap once on any earbud to pick up, tap and hold for 2 seconds and release to reject the call, and if you've picked up already, you can tap and hold for 2 seconds to hang up. Triple tap the earbud to summon your phone's assistant, be it Siri, Google Assistant, or whatever it is that you have. The touch controls on the HAKII Time Pro take a little bit of getting used to, but once you do, you can find them to be quite intuitive. Unfortunately, there's no app to help you control the EQ or any touch control settings for the HAKII Time Pro. There are also no volume controls directly on the earbuds, so if you want to change your volume, you're going to have to either use your phone or summon your voice assistant and ask them to change the volume for you. And speaking of asking, if you've been enjoying the video this far, then I'm asking you to kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as this goes a long way in supporting me and letting me know that you enjoy these videos. And when it comes to sound quality, I've been quite impressed with the HAKII Time Pro. They have a very unique sound signature, which is definitely a good thing, as the bass, mids, and highs are very balanced but very rich at the same time. It is a bit light on the bass, but it is still very satisfactory, and the bass gets better on higher volumes. I found that the sound signature is quite reminiscent of the Galaxy Buds Pro, but just not as rich. Music definitely sounds fuller and richer on the HAKII Time Pro than on the AirPods Pro, but I believe you get more detail on the AirPods Pro. In terms of active noise cancellation, I found these to be very impressive. Of course, you're not going to be in the subway and expect to hear nothing at all, but they do a very great job in minimizing any external noise from getting into your ears. When you've got the HAKII Time Pro in and the active noise cancellation turned on, you are literally in a bubble of your own, as those silicone tips and the ANC technology do a very great job in making sure you don't feel the existence of any other person around you. On the other hand, the transparency mode, while still good, is just not as good as the AirPods Pro. However, I did find it to be more impressive than the Galaxy Buds Pro, as those tend to make people's voices sound very overprocessed and tinny. But that notwithstanding, the transparency mode on here just doesn't deliver the same volume that you get from the AirPods Pro or the Galaxy Buds Pro. And with regards to call quality, I found these to be also very impressive, as the microphones are located on the bottom of the stems, placing them closer to your mouth, but I will let you be the judge of that. Okay, so this is a test of the mic quality of the HAKII Time Pro. If you're on a phone call, this is what the other party is gonna hear. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And with regards to battery life, you get about 6 hours of playback and 18 hours extra in the case with active noise cancellation turned on, and about 7 hours of playback with 23 hours extra in the case with active noise cancellation turned off. And when your earbuds are dead, the case charges via USB Type-C, and it also has wireless charging if you are someone who has a lot of wireless chargers laying around. With regards to charging time, it takes about 1 hour for the earbuds to fully charge and 2 hours for the case to top up. Now the price is what might be a little bit difficult to swallow, as the HAKII Time Pro come in at about $130, but you can find them for about $90 on HAKII's website, and if you check online for some different places, you might be able to find them even cheaper. But that notwithstanding, do I recommend the HAKII Time Pro to the average consumer? Definitely. If you're someone who's looking for a great, immersive, and rich audio listening experience, then the HAKII Time Pro can do you no wrong. It's also got great ANC and transparency mode, and there's a gaming mode to reduce latency if you play games frequently on your phone or something like that. However, the HAKII Time Pro does have its caveats, like I mentioned earlier, with the absence of an application, and there are no volume controls on the earbuds. But if these are things that are not too important to you, then they can be easily overlooked. But let me know what you think about these earbuds in the comment section right below the like button. If you enjoyed the video, then please make sure to subscribe. My name is Johannes, this is TechPhD, and I'll catch you in one of the videos showing on your screen right now. Peace. The price, now the price is the... Yeah, I know. Just keep pretending.
Okay, I'm pretending.
Jesus. Kevin said, okay, I'm pretending, no problem.
I can pretend.
Wait, oh, it's actually getting recorded. I've gotten 14.5 in one.
14.5, isn't it 15?
No.
Should I wear the jacket or should
Anyone you want. So cute! Cutie! 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 Ooh, ah. They also have some silicone tips with no... Why are you staying in one place? Do something. Window. Jesus Christ. It's too extra. It's in a hair flip.